Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'd just like a quick chat to you guys about my latest milestone. Of course the milestone is that this channel, Paul's Train Vlogs, has just gone past 300 subscribers. So, thank you to everyone out there in the YouTube universe to help me reach 300 subscribers. Much appreciated. And unfortunately there'll be no 300 subscriber special because I felt the latest Filmia Festival of Steam is special enough. And also another chat about the upcoming event, the 2017 Hunter Valley Steam Fest will be happening again at Maitland this coming April. There'll be two Steam locomotives that will feature in this year's Hunter Valley Steam Fest, which is Steam Loco 3642 from Trainworks Museum at Filmia, and Lachlan Valley Railway's own 5917 before it goes away on holidays for a major overhaul. And also you get to see Patterson's CPH1 and CPH7 as well as the 621 and 721 whale motor. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, just like to say thank you to all my viewers and subscribers out there for helping me reach 300 subscribers. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.